Session 15, and this one ties everything together. Fractions, decimals, and percentages aren't three different topics. They're three different outfits for the exact same number. Half a pizza, 0.5 of a pizza, 50% of a pizza, all identical. Same amount, three different notations. By the end of today, you'll convert fluently between all three forms and know the handful of equivalences worth memorizing on site. A percentage is really just a fraction with a fixed denominator of 100%, literally means per hundred. A decimal shows that same amount using place value columns after the point tenths, hundredths, and so on. Same value, different notation each time. You'll switch between these three forms constantly, often without even noticing. A sale sign saying 20% off is a percentage doing a job a fraction or a decimal could do just as easily. A player's shooting average often gets reported as a decimal, like 0.45, even though it started life as a fraction of shots made. Exam results often get quoted as a fraction of marks and a percentage side by side. The exact same score, two notations. Here's why fluency matters. You can't compare or combine values fairly unless they're all in the same form first. A handful of equivalences, halves, quarters, tenths, are worth knowing instantly because working them out every time wastes real exam minutes. It also stops a really common slip, converting a percentage to a decimal by just deleting the percent sign instead of actually dividing by 100. Convert 7/8 to a decimal, then to a percentage. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 7 divided by 8 is 0.875. Multiply that decimal by 100 to get the percentage, 87.5%. Now the reverse direction. Convert 0.35 to a fraction and to a percentage. The digits after the point are hundredths, so it's 35 over 100. And the HCF of 35 and 100 is 5, giving 7/20ths once simplified. For the percentage, just multiply the original decimal by 100 directly. 0.35 is 35%. Now, starting from a percentage, convert 45% to a fraction and to a decimal. Write it over 100 first, 45 over 100, then simplify using the HCF of 45 and 100, which is 5, giving 9/20ths. For the decimal, divide the percentage by 100 directly. 45% is 0.45. Here's a complete worked example mixing all three forms. A survey finds 0.4 of students walk to school, 3/10 cycle, and the rest travel by car. What percentage travel by car? Convert everything to percentages first. 0.4 is 40% and 3/10 is 30%, since tenths convert directly. Walking and cycling together make 40% plus 30%, which is 70%. So the remaining percentage traveling by car is 100% minus 70%, 30%.